I believe each congregation is able to take away from the workshops and the discussions what fits for them. And it is, I think, an opportunity for conviction, uh, and even maybe a little bit of soul searching as to what perhaps they already have done on this issue of racial justice. Where are there opportunities to do more? How might they even begin, if they haven't already, to invite conversations similar to the ones that we'll have at the workshops that engage people in a healthy civil dialogue around race and racism, as well as race relations? I believe that uh, folks will walk away feeling very good about knowing more and feeling safe enough to take back to their congregations what they've learned, and hopefully be inspired by the fact that there's much work that can be done at the local congregation level that can help to move racial justice in the bigger scheme of things.